Hi there, it's been a month now since I've started this channel, and I would really like to thank you all for appreciating my content. With your support, I will continue to bring you more content like this. Today's video is focused on rum. We will talk about the production, the grades, the brands, and much more. So let's get into it. Rum is an alcoholic drink made from sugarcane juice or molasses. The base is combined with water and yeast, and after fermentation it is distilled. Majority of rums are produced from molasses. Molasses based rums are distilled via column still. Sugarcane based rums are often distilled via pot still. In general, rum is produced throughout the world, and each region and countries have different laws and traditions that are used in its production. The Caribbeans are best known for their rums. How rum came to this world. It's a story set in Barbados in 1651. Plantation slaves discovered that molasses could be fermented into alcohol, and to pass out their time while also harvesting sugarcane, they used to make this liquor and enjoyed it in the late evenings. It is the only spirit which was not initially made for medicinal purposes but entertainment. How did it got its name? That is impossible to find. Some suggest it came from rumbio, which is also a drink made from boiling sugarcane, or from saccharum, the scientific term for sugar. The production of rum is same as any spirit. The juice gets extracted, boiled to make molasses, then combined with sugar and yeast in the fermentation process. Now the rum can be distilled in both ways. Immediately after distillation, it's diluted and stored in oak barrels for aging. The charred wood produced esters. Ester is a chemical that gives the spirit color, flavor, and aroma. After aging, it is blended to ensure a consistent flavor. Light rums get filtered to remove color, whereas addition of caramel can be seen in dark rums. Let's look at the difference between rums produced through pot still and patent still. I've made this difference for the IHMites as it is a part of their syllabus, so do note this down. Dark rums are aged in heavily charred oak barrels to give them the dark color and provide with intense flavor. These are generally for kitchen use but are also used in a number of cocktails and are often floated on top of the finished drink. The Mai Tai is a good example of a dark rum float. Some of the higher proved dark rums that are floated are also used when lighting drinks on fire. Light rums are generally aged in stainless steel tanks so that they remain as white as possible, filtered for removal of remaining color and used mostly in cocktails. White rum's characteristics match a lot with vodka. Gold rum can be considered midway between light rum and the darker varieties. Overproof rum, as the name suggests, are rums with higher alcoholic content, more than 40% ABV, reaching till 80%. Now, spiced and flavored rum can be two different categories, but I have put them in one since both are made to get specific flavor of either fruits or spices. We can call both flavored rums, but the spiced rums came a long way before flavored rums, so hence these can be two different grades. Generally, flavored rums have less alcoholic strength compared to the other one. Next is premium rum. Again, as the name suggests, these are top shelf liquor and quite expensive. These are aged for longer time and have more character and flavor than other rums. In this section, I've listed some rum cocktails here, so let's take a look. Like the champagne, there is cachaça, Brazilian rum made from fresh sugarcane juice only. They are relatively cheaper. Dark cachaça are premium variety, and from these, which are aged for 15 years or more, are called ultra premium varieties. Rum agricole are French rums. These are also made from sugarcane juice. On these drinks, AOC, the appellation rule, is applied. We've talked about the appellation, the control, in my video about sparkling wines, so do check that out to understand this. I've put the link in the description. Now the difference between rum and these two is that rum is generally made from molasses, whereas these two are made from juice extraction, basically skipping the step of boiling down the sugarcane to produce molasses. Now let's talk about Bacardi, the most known brand around the world when we talk about rum. Bacardi is the most awarded rum brand and has a very rich history. Fruit bats is the inspiration for the Bacardi bat logo. This logo was pragmatic considering the high illiteracy rate in the 19th century, enabling customers to easily identify the product. Bacardi is known as the Cathedral of Rum. This distillery produces over 100,000 liters of rum every 24 hours. Old Monk, the rum brand of India, is one of the oldest rum brands around the globe. In 1855, Edward Dyer established a distillery in Kasauli to meet the needs of cheap beer from the British. But soon this brewery was moved to Solon and then changed hands and became a distillery of rum. The legend tells a story about a kind-hearted British monk who sneaked around the Mohan Meekins Limited rum barrels endlessly. Savoring the rum during the rum ripening time, he offered good company to the master craftsmen, and in this way the monk became a specialist of rum making. The good advice of the monk improved the flavor of rum. In 1935, when the rum was first launched, Mohan Meekin Limited called the drink Old Monk Rum in honor of the Old Monk. Old Monk was the largest selling dark rum in India, but its lots is ranked to McDowell's #1 celebration rum and has continued to decline. However, the executive at Mohan Meekin ensures that the Old Monk will surely be back at the top.
इसी का नाम जिंदगी है दोस्त। हार जीत पाना खोना ये सब तो चलता ही रहता है। मैं जानता हूँ कि जब दिल टूटता है तो उसका असर सीधा दिमाग पर होता है। इसलिए मैं तेरे लिए ये लाया हूँ, गम का साथी रम। आज रात गम गलत करने के लिए इसे पी लेना, लेकिन इसकी आदत मत लगाना, इससे लिवर खराब हो जाता है।
This is it for today. I hope you would have learned a lot about rum. For any questions or feedback, the comment section is all yours. Do like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching.